What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be taking a look at the minimal case for the new Google Pixel 4a. Stay tuned. Now, before this video starts, this is sponsored by Minimal Case, so a huge shout out to them for actually sponsoring this video. If you guys want to pick up one of these cases, you can use the code TechRight for 25% off, which gives you some huge savings, so go ahead and use that code if you guys plan to purchase this case. Now, let's start off with the unboxing experience. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box right here. First thing we have right here is just a little thing that says GIF unlocked, and that is your gift right there. Go to minimalcase.com. And here's some instructions on the installation guide. Inside of here, we also have the case. We're going to unbox that in a second. We have a cleaning cloth to clear off any smudges before you put your phone in your case. And we also have a minimal case sticker. Save that one for the collection. Now let's go ahead and open this up. We have a little rip tab right here. So pretty easy process, very minimal. And we have our matte black case right there. Now, putting the case down for a second and talking strictly about the Pixel 4a and its demographic, most of the people that use the Google Pixel devices are minimalists. They like very, very simple devices. This device utilizes stock Android, very simple, very clean UI. And I feel like they'd like the same thing with a case. And I feel like most of them, if they didn't have to rock a case, they wouldn't. So this is where minimal comes in. Starting off with this case, this is going to be a plastic case. In some parts of the phone, it's probably going to be a more condensed plastic. Looking at this little lip around the camera right here, and if you pop that on your Pixel 4a, it gives you protection, so you can actually put this down on a table and have the peace of mind that you're not going to completely crack your camera lens. Also, looking on the right side of the phone, we have all of our cutouts right here, neatly placed. Obviously, I have access to my power button and my volume rocker right here. Bottom of the phone, we have cutouts for the speaker as well as the USB Type-C port. Now, the only thing that we do not have a cutout to is a cutout for the SIM tray. Now, the reason why I think they didn't put a cutout on this device, and it doesn't really bug me, is because the only thing that you put in here is your SIM card. This device does not have expandable storage, so therefore you're not going to be opening your device's slot frequently. So I don't think it's too much of an issue. Also, around the phone, we are going to have a harder plastic than on the back of the device. And looking at the top of the device, obviously we have a cutout for the 3.5mm headphone jack, as well as the noise canceling mic at the top right there, right above the camera. And using the fingerprint sensor, honestly, it feels good with this case on here. Just slips nice and smooth into the fingerprint sensor where I need it. We also have a very slim lip above the phone screen right there, as you guys can see. So your phone screen isn't completely touching the table or whatever surface you put it on. Now, they do have other cases for the Pixel 4a. This one in particular is the matte black. I think it looks very, very nice with that mint accent right there. And I feel like a lot of people are going to pick up this color. Personally, my favorite so far. We also have our frosted black color right here. This, I think, is going to be another favorite of mine right there. And we also have the mint accent that goes very nicely along with that frosted black. Next, we have the frosted right here, which I think actually looks pretty cool. It looks pretty cool with the mint accent as well. Matte black is definitely my favorite by far though, but this one looks cool too. Other great thing about this case is this case doesn't even feel like it's a case. It literally feels like the phone, and especially since rocking the matte black case on this phone, I forget I even have a case on this phone. So if you minimalists aren't really into cases, this is the answer for you guys. But yeah, guys, I want to give a huge shout out to Minimal again for sponsoring this video and making this video possible. Huge shout out to them for giving me a 25% off code, so you guys can go ahead and use that on their website. So any product that you want to buy on their website, just put in code TechRight and you automatically save 25% off that item. So go ahead and check their store out. You may want something that's not for the Pixel 4a. You may have another phone. Go ahead and check them out. But again, if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below as well as subscribing if you are not a part of the Tech Gang already. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.